This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Roble. Welcome to Lakewood National, one of the most desirable golf communities in Lakewood Ranch. This lovely Catalina Floor Plan offers 3 bedrooms, 2-car garage, and 4 full baths in a maintenance-free gated community. The kitchen is light and bright, with a pantry, tiled backsplash, large island and pantry. Notable features include ceiling fans, high ceilings and large second-floor bonus room with a wet bar and full bath. Crown molding, and tile flooring and open floor plan is great for entertaining your guest. Relax and enjoy the stunning private view with sliders open to the stunning lanai, outdoor kitchen and pool and spa. The owner's suite is generous in size, with sliders to the screened-in lanai, a spacious bathroom, tiled walk-in shower, dual sinks and 2 walk-in closets. Lakewood National is a gated community with bundled golf, clubhouse, fitness center, tiki hut with community pool, tennis, pickleball, social events, and the list goes on. Close to shopping, HICKOK Mall, airports, LWR Hospital, restaurants, world-class beaches, Lakewood Ranch Downtown, and Waterside Downtown. For more information, review the details below.